All right, so a pH, you're going to find the pH and the pOH. Okay? You're going to find the pH and the pOH. And you're going to do it for hydrochloric acid. And all I'm going to give you is 0.003 moles. Okay? And I'm going to give you 2.5 liters. Okay, so how do we set this up? We need pH and pOH. Well, a pH is negative log of the molarity of H plus. Molarity of an acid. Well, acids have H's, so that's what that really means. That's what that's saying. What the heck is molarity? Did we ever do that before? Did we ever do molarity before? Why, yes, we have. We've done molarity before. Molarity is moles divided by liters. It's concentration. The bigger your molarity, the more powerful your acid will be. The more it will eat through your skin, the more it will punch holes in you, the more it will attack metals. Okay? No, that's the other way. Liquid plumber is base. Okay, so the higher molarity you have, well, the lower the pH the acid is, and the more dangerous it is. So if you have a pH of like almost 0, that's going to eat everything. So this is very important. Okay, so 0.003 moles divided by 2.5 liters. 0.003 moles divided by 2.5 liters will give you a molarity of 0.0012. Well, that's not the final answer. The molarity goes right there. Goes right there. Okay, so now you go negative log of 0.0012 m. Okay, so negative log of my answer. Well, that will give me a pH of 2.92. Gosh, that's a pretty low pH, right? Pretty low, 2.9. I'd say that was definitely an acid. Well, if I want to know what it is on the pH scale, well, how do I do that? I go 14 minus the pH. So 14 minus 2.92. You get your Desmos out, you get a 11.08. All right, so that's definitely an acid. It's not a base, it's an acid. Okay, notice we did the pH because it's an acid, and acids have H's. You see that? Okay, we did the H, we did the pH. The pHs are for acids. So we calculated the acid first. All right. So pHs are negative log of the concentration, the molarity. The molarity. Now you guys remember if it you could do this without a calculator if what? If your molarity is really, really simple. Okay? So if you had a molarity that was like 0.001, it would be really simple to do. You wouldn't need the calculator. So that is getting the pH from molarity.